Today, a new moon is in the sky, a 23-inch metal sphere placed in orbit by a Russian rocket. Here, an artist's conception of how the feat was accomplished. A three-stage rocket. Number one, the booster in the class of an intercontinental missile. Its weight estimated at 50 tons. The smaller second stage took over at 5,000 miles an hour and carried on to the highest point reached. 500 miles up, the artificial moon is boosted to a speed counterbalancing the pull of gravity and released. You are hearing the actual signals transmitted by the Earth-circling satellite. One of the great scientific feats of the age.
Of 508 candidates, 7 men were chosen to be the astronauts of Project Mercury, the first step toward landing man on the moon. These test pilots were the space-age equivalents of World War I's aces, and America promptly fell in love with them and eagerly followed every minute of their training.
One of you looks forward to being the first man into space.
But the first man into space was not an American. On April 12, 1961, Yuri Gagarin, a Russian cosmonaut, went entirely around the Earth one time out there in space. Americans were not happy.
But why, some say, the moon? Why choose this as our goal? And they may well ask, why climb the highest mountain? Why, 35 years ago, fly the Atlantic? We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
Less than a year after Alan Shepard's flight, Glenn would get his chance at history. A journey 3 times around the Earth at a speed of nearly 18,000 miles an hour. The country held its breath.
All recorders to